So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side, and I welcome you all for the morning market briefing. First of all, let's start with the SGX, right? So if we see on SGX, we can see that the market में एक और gap down यहाँ पर दिख रहा है. Market is trading near 16,200, right? Okay. Now let's move to the technical chart. So technical chart में हम देखें तो market is actually trending on the lower side. Okay. 16,500 was a good support. Market उसके नीचे trade कर रहा है. Now what next level we are looking for is 16,000 is a good support for the market, as we have already discussed also earlier. And on the lower side, even if market falls to 16 or 15,600 could be the next level we are looking for on the charts, right? Okay, on the higher side, we can still look for 16,500 as a resistance. Now looking at the OI chart for Nifty specifically, we are seeing that good short coming up from the past few sessions, and we have two unwinding. That is again on a negative note, right? Okay, so the trend overall looks for Nifty as of now is weak, right? If we take options chain specifically, so you can see that 16,500 added a good OI. Okay, so that is the resistance we might face. Okay, lower side 16,000 is a good support. If market breaks that level, we can go for 15,800 and 15,500 after that. Okay, overall structure looks weak for Nifty. Talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty has taken a support around 14,000. It came up yesterday also. Might be a good reversal from this level if you see. Talking about Bank Nifty Y, so we have seen long built up yesterday also. Y also increased and market went up. So bit of buying came up in the banking stock specifically. So here, if we see 35,000 on the higher side, we can see the resistance, and 34 is the support, and 34,500 is adding a good straddle, right, for tomorrow's expiry. Fine. Okay. Fine. Now let's see the major contributions specifically. So the private banks added on the long side, good contribution on the DEX, then FMCG and NBFC. On the negative side, oil, and then metal and IT, you can see they're adding on the short side. Okay. Now coming to the stock that we have is, first we will go with Tata Power. If we see the Tata Power structure, the stock actually looks weak. It was a good consolidation, and mostly we have seen short covering, short covering, and again the stock slips on the lower side after that. If you see on the technical charts, the stock might be trading around support of 220, but the structure looks weak. If that breaks further, we can see that the stock can slip toward 200 levels also. Okay, so this could be the anticipated level on the lower side. Okay, 220 is a good support for Tata Power, but looks like it can easily break it, and 240 would be a good resistance in this. So any rise towards 240 also good selling opportunity. We can look for like 200 as a expected move on the lower side. Fine. You see Tata Power here, 250 is the highest call option. 220 is where we see the highest put option OI. There was unwinding also there. So 200 till 200 we can anticipate the stock can easily move on the lower side. So the Tata Power looks weak. Second stock is SBI. You can check SBI here also. So the structure again looks weak for this stock also. If you simply go and check the levels for SBI here. So 470 would be a support as of now. If that breaks, 460 and 450 level could be anticipated. On the higher side, 480 would be a good resistance as of now. So any rise towards 480 could be a good selling opportunity. 470 breakdown below 470 could be another selling opportunity. Okay. So we'll be selling on rise and we can sell on the breakout of 470 also, right? So this is what the view on this particular stock, right? So ban list, no stock addition in the ban list, right? Let's quickly summarize. Okay. So trading range for Nifty again 16,500 and 16,000. Bank Nifty 1,000 point range 35,000 and 34,000 with a good straddle at 34,500. Private bank, FMCG, NBFC added on the long side. Oil, metal, and IT on the lower side. Tata Power looks weak. SBI looks weak. Below 220 is the level, good support, and below it, market can the Tata Power can slip towards 200 level. 240 is a good resistance. SBI 470 is a breakdown level. Even any rise towards 480, 490 could be a good selling opportunity in SBI also. So both the structure of these stocks looks weak, and they are sell on the rise on the breakdown also, right? No stock has been added on the ban list. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.